Hello and welcome to the second day of Global Fashion and Design Week. Today we have with us a very esteemed guest, Dr. Kapil Kishore. He is a fashion guru, a professor of fashion at NIFT University, and he also runs his own company. Hello, sir.
Hi, how are you?
So I am fine. How are you?
Good, good.
Sir, how excited are you to attend the Fashion Fest?
This is 8th Global Fashion Week, and this is not the first time I'm here. I came every year, and I do witness all the collections of design students of AFT. It is brilliant.
Sir, how important is understanding fashion for the students and not just following trends?
See, it's very important to understand the fashion trends because, see, if at all, if someone is not understanding the fashion trends, it is easy to, accept those designs. And design is not only just a design, it is a lot of research behind the design. So sometimes when a designer is doing a lot of research and creating those designs, then it is very it's not an easy approach to understand that design. You should have that different eye to understand those designs.
And sir, how to, learn and get that eye to understand design? How to, do you have to practice or it's something that is inbuilt in you?
See, sometimes it's inbuilt, and sometimes when you study fashion, when you study design, then only you understand that how to understand and see design in a particular prospect. So if at all you are a fashion student, it is important to learn design and fashion both, color balance, aesthetic balance, and the rhythm and harmony also.
And sir, today is the world of fast fashion, right? Then how important is the role of sustainable fashion?
See, sustainable fashion is the most important part of fashion, and sustainability is the most important part of every each and everyone's life. So sustainable fashion is also very important, and we are at the stage where global warming and a lot of this plastic garbage is there. So if at all we are doing a sustainable fashion, it is very important, for that designer, the role of that designer who's doing the sustainable fashion, that to carry forward that sustainable design in a proper manner. If at all you are recycling something, then it should be properly done. If you are rearranging something, it should be properly done. There should be a proper science and art both behind it.
So yes, sir, and now I would like to ask you about yourself. What was your journey to being a fashion guru?
Journey was not easy. It was really so many hurdles and hard things in the life. From last 25 years I am into fashion, but today, if at all you will see, now I'm a successful person. But yes, when I was started, I was very raw, uh, and I also struggled hard to understand the fashion. And I was also from UP, Moradabad, a very small town. But the only thing is, when I came over here, I understood fashion and the design aesthetics. It was a difficult part for me to understand. So journey was really really tough. But when you are going through a tough journey, a fruitful result is, you will be getting.
So today is the world of social media, right, and the world of influencers. So is that has that taken away from the importance of fashion shows and ramp walks?
Uh, See, a fashion show, ramp walks, fashion weeks, these are the celebrations of fashion. So you can't, really say that, it is just the show business. A designer is, preparing hard to create one show. So if at all a designer is taking 3 months or 2 months or 4 months to prepare that show, it should be the celebration. All right. Yeah.
Sir, one last question. Sir, any motivating words you would like to impart upon the fashion students working hard in the fest?
I would like to say that, in each and everyone, there is some art. So you should understand that art, and you keep on working on that art. Sometimes it is in the middle or at the starting or at the end. you think that, you know, this line is not for you. But, you know, if you understand that art within you, definitely you will understand that art, you will promote that art, and you will never think of leaving that design course.
Thank you so much, sir. Your words really inspired. I think they'll inspire all the audience. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
With video journalist Shivam, Tanukeshri, F 24/7.